Gurubhyo Namaha. A very good morning to everyone present here. On the proud occasion of our 75th Independence Day, I, Rochelle Dorothy, the SPL of the PSBB Millennium School OMR, take immense pleasure in welcoming you. I would like to extend a very warm welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest, Ms. Lavanya Reddy. A hearty welcome to our respected principal, Mrs. Rukmini Sridhar. A congenial welcome to all the parents who have tuned in. We are also happy to welcome our teachers and admin staff and all the students who are watching the program. This Independence Day, let's pay tribute to all the freedom fighters who have laid down their lives to save our nation. Can we take a moment to pay respects to the leaders of our nation who, in spite of all the trials and tribulations, have tried their level best to contain the spread of the virus and to provide aid to those who have struggled in various aspects during the pandemic. Together, let's celebrate our sovereign nation with the hope that it will attain independence yet again from the clutches of this pandemic. On that note, let's begin the program with a prayer song, Tamil Thai Varttukal.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் மதனமென திகழ்வரத கண்டமிதில் எக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம் வியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I, Rohit Gunashekaran, the SPL of the PSBB Millennium School OMR, feel extremely honored to introduce our chief guest, Ms. Lavanya Reddy. Lavanya ma'am is an Army Major and currently the Senior Director at JLL. Her responsibilities include providing strategic management plans to the facility management team on all HCL sites across South and West operations. As a science graduate, she has gone on to complete various other courses like Certification in Six Sigma Green Belt 2019, Certification in Strategic Management, IIM Kolkata 2017, Certification in Fire and Safety Management 2012, General Business Management Operations, IIM Lucknow 2011. She also has 19 years of experience in administration, repair and maintenance of equipment, central procurement operations, and in quality environmental health and safety standards. She was the NCC Parade Commander as CUO during the RD 1997 for Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, and Andamans, and won the NCC Battalion C Certificate A grade. Her hobbies include trekking, teaching and mentoring, and accompanying her son for swimming. We're happy to have you here today, ma'am.
Tissue.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
I love my country and I'm proud of its rich and varied heritage.
I shall always strive to be worthy of it.
I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy.
To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion.
In their well being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
I now request our chief guest, Ms. Lavanya Reddy, to address the audience.
To dear students, to the PSBP management, Principal Madam, Mrs. Rukmani, and the wonderful SPL leaders who have actually given a wonderful introduction about myself. Thank you once again for the management, for giving me this occasion, for being here and doing a flag hoisting on the 75th Independence Day. I still remember the days where I went on the 50th National Independence Day on the Republic Day Parade Commander. It was an awesome experience. And now I'm here on the 75th. I don't know whether I'll be there for the 100th Independence Day. We all understand this great occasions on the Independence Day. It's marked as a national holiday. Having said that, we should not forget on the value and the sacrifice done by our great leaders. Told, we all keep reading on this great occasions. So still on the 15th August 1947, this was the day when we had got our Indian Independence Act, which came into the Indian Constitution Assembly. And after having said that, we also know who are the leaders that have sacrificed. The 25 great leaders who have sacrificed for our Indian Independence Day. I still wanted to say about Rani Lakshmi Bai. She was a great resistance for the British Raj in our country. She had actually stood during the Indian Revolt in 1857, stating that the British Raj in our country should not exist. Followed by the 25 leaders, the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, then the Nehru, then Lal Lajpat Rai, the Bipin Chandrapal. There were many leaders who had actually fought for our country. There were also movements like Civil Disobedience Movement, the Quit India Movement, the Green Revolution, the White Revolutions, and many more, nevertheless. And all this has been written in our world history. So nevertheless, we should not forget what our leaders have fought for us. Dear students, please do remember, your school has taught you the right pledge. You are accountable for your actions and your consequences. Be respectful to your nation. It starts from your home, right? You have to be respectful for your home, then your state, then your nation, and then you'll be well covered by the world itself. And in whichever industries that you have select, be a school, be a management industries, you be a banking sector, be an manufacturing sector, be an teaching sector, and whatever it is, India has really done well. You all know what is the Olympics level that we have won so much of gold medals and everything. Yes, so Olympic sports is also very well industries that it has brought apart from our sport, apart from our studies. And if you also see the manufacturing sector, we are actually done very, very well in whichever sector that you have selected, right? So having said that, I don't want to take a lot of minutes in giving a long speech. Your teachers are the warmth for you all and have imbibed in you the best of the best. So be respectful to your teachers and your homes. Your sacrifice should start from your home, then to your country, and then, of course, to the world. So thank you, students. You're in the right hands of your school. Please follow the footsteps given by the school. If you imbibe the footsteps given by a school, you will definitely achieve. Whatever you do it with passion, and your passion will definitely lead to your success. Thank you so much. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Thanks a lot, madam. Okay.
I now request our respected principal to felicitate the chief guest.
This one, I think.
Thank you so much for this insightful words, ma'am. We will always remember to imbibe the learnings that we get from our school and to become responsible individuals right from our home. Now I request our respected principal to address the gathering.
Because I want to release the pledge. Ma'am, please. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. A wonderful morning. Very happy and proud to have one of our parent, Major Lavanya Reddy, to be our chief guest on the occasion of 75th Independence Day. Her words were truly inspiring. And I could also understand the words have come from her heart as a major and also as a proud parent of our school. As the head of the institution, I was just thinking for quite a few days that we need to do something for our students. Now that for the past 1.5 years, the children are online, they have become the digital citizens, and they are at home, confining themselves to the four walls in their home. And now that the lockdown has been released, a few of the parents have also started attending their offices. So the students are left at home with their grandparents or with their caretakers. And we do have a concern that the students are not clear with respect to their responsibility as a member, attending online classes. Somewhere we feel that our students need to be put into the right track. It is our responsibility. If we look back and recollect the words of our great beloved Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he had a vision for 2020, India to become a developed nation. And he was always very fond of students, and he used to give lot of good words, lot of advices to the students. I'm a very ardent fan of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and I also believe that it is the responsibility of the school, the head of the school, the teachers, and all the stakeholders of an educational institution to stay together if we need to create a wonderful human being and a great Indian citizen. So this thought process, which was lingering in my mind for a few months, has made me to release a pledge today as a very, very special release for our 75th Independence Day. The context of this idea, see, today we have completed 75 years of our independence. But unfortunately, still we are only a developing nation. If India has to reach the status of a developed nation, then my dear students, that is only in your hands. You are the future generation.
it is definitely in your hands. I would rather give you 3 words for you to give a thought. Self-confidence, self-respect, and self-assurance. These are all not my words. These are all the words quoted by the visionary Dr. Kalam. Just give a thought to it. If you are going to respect yourself for the good and bad, if you are going to just give a thought, what I am doing is right or wrong. Is it going to be useful for someone? Is it going to be useful to me in the first place? Self-respect, self-confidence, and self-assurance. Just keep these 3 words in your mind. So we thought it is our duty and our responsibility to keep reiterating that there are some values which cannot be compromised, irrespective of our age. Whether we are 5-year-old, whether we are 15-year-old, whether we are 50 years old, or whether we are 80 years old, as a good human being and to be the proud citizen of our nation, we need to have certain ground rules, certain ground values. That is what we have brought out in our pledge. I will request our chief guest to release the pledge. And also, I request our SPL, both Ms. Rohit and Rochelle, to once again read it loud so that, it is heard by everyone and you could understand the effort that has gone in bringing this out as a very, very special release for the 75th Independence Day.
Thank you so much. So thank you so much. It's a great occasion to release the pledge, madam. Seriously, it's a very honor. And students, you're in the right hands of your management, and do the best and you'll all succeed in whatever you think. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. So teachers, so what we are going to do moving forward is every week as how we do our national pledge. So like this during the class teachers period, let us start with class 3 to begin with. So this has to be read out by the class teacher and to be repeated by the students every week during the class teachers period. I request the SPL to read it loud once again so that we are able to understand what is it that we are talking about. So I am very clear, if we have to reach the state of a developed nation, it is definitely in all our hands. Rather than questioning the parent, questioning the school management, questioning the society, questioning the government, what is it that they have done? Let us all start asking ourselves, what is it that I have done to my parent? What is it that I have done to my country? What is it that I have done to my school? I think that introspection will definitely refine us into a better individual. Let us first stop questioning others on what they have not done. Let us start questioning ourselves on what we need to do so that our dream of India becoming a developed nation will come true shortly. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
As a student of the PSBB Millennium School OMR, I solemnly pledge to be respectful to my teachers, parents, and all elders,
to be accountable for my actions and its consequences,
to uphold the integrity of my school, my family, and my country,
to be responsible and treat my classroom and its people with respect,
to speak courteously and truthfully, to seek light in every situation,
to explore my unique talent and always do my best,
to be a willing learner and follow the path of success,
to learn a lot and help others learn too.
to be a worthy and a proud citizen of this country. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Salute my flag, it makes me proud. I'm an Indian, it's out loud. I salute my flag, it makes me proud. I'm an Indian, it says out loud. Three bright colors adorn my flag. Saffron, white and green makes me glad. Three bright colors adorn my flag. Saffron, white and green make me glad. As I return back, amazing proud. I'm an Indian, it says out loud. I salute my flag, it makes me proud. I am an Indian, it says out loud. Ashoka Chakra, blue on white, spins for progress, flying high. Ashoka Chakra, blue on white, spins for progress, flying high. I salute my flag, it makes me proud. I am an Indian, says out loud. I salute my flag, it makes me proud. I am an Indian.
Sword of revolution is sharpened on the betting stone of ideas. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I take immense pleasure in giving the vote of thanks on this noble occasion. Firstly, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Chief Guest, Ms. Lavanya Reddy, for gracing this occasion with her esteemed presence. I would also like to thank our respected Principal, Mrs. Rukmani Sridharan, teachers and admin staff for arranging this event to celebrate the momentous occasion of independence together. Finally, I would also like to thank our dear parents and students for tuning in to watch the celebration online. Let us always remember the great sacrifice of our freedom fighters, appreciate the constant efforts of our leaders, and work towards a more harmonious, progressive, and brighter India. Freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our souls. Let us celebrate our nation on this Independence Day. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे